Mrs. India welcomes you on Dental Care. Today we have Dr. Anupama Soni, who is not only a dentist, she is aesthetic surgeon. So, Dr. Anupama, welcome on back on Mrs. India, and Surabhi, our reigning queen, welcome back on Mrs. India.
Thank you, ma'am. It's always been a pleasure to be with you here.
Same here. Yes, Anupama, doctor.
Yeah. So I'm the queen for last. I was a reigning queen in 1890, but now I think I'm the reigning queen. Still, I'm the reigning queen, and I'm enjoying the reign, my reign. And it is always pleasure to be a part of Mrs. India for all the social campaigns they are running. So it's my pleasure to be here on this platform today.
See, basically, reign of queens of Mrs. India never gets over. Only the years keep changing, but the once a queen is a forever a queen.
Always a queen.
Yes. That's wonderful.
So today, doctor, we are here. We want to, in this lockdown, most of the hospitals are supposed to be open, but people are not stepping out, because generally हम लोगों का ये सोचना होता है कि दांत दुख रहा है तो घर में मतलब जब तक एक्सट्रीम नहीं होता है, we don't take care of our teeth. So during this lockdown, me and Surabhi really want to know, especially for Surabhi, we're gonna she's
very important.
doing lots of social appearances. So how can we emphasize our smile, or at home, if you are having pains,
how to take care. Yeah, how to take care of your
dental care during this lockdown.
So. Because we all know this pandemic is here and corona is affecting each and every person in this scenario. So I would just like to say that if you ask which is the highest risk profession these days, so dental profession is on the highest risk. 95% risk are there in the dental profession. That's what all the dental clinics are shut down globally.
Oh, but why dentists are at highest risk? Because of close contact.
Yeah. Because of the close proximity to the mouth, and we use the instruments, we use the equipments which generate aerosols. So when these instruments, we work with these instruments in the mouth, so they can generate millions of viruses and bacteria. They can produce that. So it is very risky for yourself, for a doctor, for the patient, and for the assistant, as well as the complete clinic, because aerosols spread in the surroundings. So it is very, very dangerous to step into the dental clinic at this moment. So that's what all the clinics are closed for the precaution purpose. In fact, if there is an emergency patient also walking, which is having unbearable pain and all this, and we have to, it is very essential to, treat the patient right at the moment. So we use the PPE kits and all the equipment and the measures we take, precautionary measures to avoid till we are at risk. So these days the clinics are not operating and telephonic consultations are there, or telemedicines are there for patients who are having pain. So that's what we always say, ki one should take care of their teeth, and as soon as they find anything in their mouth, any sign of a black lesion or some cavities there in the inside the mouth, or anything which is not usually present in the mouth, they should immediately contact a dentist and get it treated, because what happens. Because what happens when you delay it. So once there is a lesion starts, bacterial growth starts happening in your tooth. So with the passage of time, it goes deep in the inner layer of the tooth. And when it approaches the pulp area, pulp is a vital, you can say the vital part of the tooth. From that pulp only we find all the sensitivity. Whether we have pain, we have the feeling of hot, or we have feeling of cold. So when that bacterial lesion approaches to that deeper layer, the pain starts. But it takes time. So it is always better to take precaution when it is a case of dentistry.
So what you suggest?
Precaution is better than cure.
Yeah.
So Surabhi, before Dr. Anupama will take us on how we are going to take care of our dental things. What you do, to keep your teeth shiny and.
You say so immediately I remember my teeth. I am very particular about my dental care. As you can see, I don't have a very organized dental frame. Dr. Anupama can see that. But then I'm very particular. I get my cleanups done every 6 months or every year. Earlier, I used to get it done every year. Now I've become a little more conscious because it's quite uneven. So I get the cleanup done every 6 months, and I get myself checked all the time. I had one root canaling done also, so I get that checked so that I don't want to get a sudden surprise, because I remember there's nothing worse than a toothache. It's so
Yeah.
so painful.
Yes.
Painkiller. Painkiller never works with toothache. So I have become very particular.
They says that dental pain actually makes you mental. I know. I mean, generally हम लोग दांतों को इतना इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं देते हैं, बट डेंटिस्ट जब आता है, मतलब डेंटिस्ट के पास जाने का नंबर, then dentist will show you all the stars.
ये इतने सारे
डेंटिस्ट का एक आदत होता है, पहले ठीक है, जो दांत दुख रहा है ना उसके ऊपर मार के पूछते हैं, is this the teeth? I was like, what?
You can say
Yeah.
you can say dental pain is equal to the labor pain. Yeah.
Actually,
When it acts like the labor only. So as Surbi said, because she has a malaligned teeth, so she has crowding, she has de-arrangement of the teeth. So these teeth are more prone to get infected, because cleaning becomes very, very difficult in such teeth, and you really need to take highest precaution to clean your teeth. Then you have to clean twice. In fact, what we suggest, when you eat something sticky, you always brush. It is not mandatory that you use always toothpaste, but you can use just brush your teeth and clean the plaque which is getting stuck in between the two
In between the teeth.
yeah, and regularly floss your teeth, so that that minor layer of plaque which is not visible to you when you brush, because when there is a crowding, so that layer is not visible. So for that purpose also, you should always floss your teeth. And flossing is one should use it regularly. Everyone should floss their teeth, because we have minor crowdings in our teeth. And then regular checkup every 6 months, visit to dentist to get anything suspected to arise or give you a sudden surprise, or get your oral prophylaxis done, oral dental cleaning done every 6 months.
Okay, sure, Dr. Anupama. I'll keep following it, because yes, as you said, I mean, it's with the malaligned teeth, the deposition comes in and all that. And also, I'm a very big tea lover. I take lots of tea and all, so that also affects teeth, I believe.
Not much, but yeah, a thin film gets deposit when you have the beverages in excess. Not taking 2 to 3 cups daily. We can count it as the normal routine. But if you're taking it more, definitely with the beverages, then if you are using the turmeric, we eat a lot of masala food and all that. So turmeric also imposes a color on your teeth. So whatever colorful things we are having, they are making a thin layer, and with the time, gradually with the time, it gets thicker. So the more harm is with the sticky food. So these days, like, people eat junk food, and you can understand when you have chocolates and whatever, pizza which sticks inside, and then you have all this donuts and bakery items. So whatever is more pleasing is more harmful for the teeth. So if you remember, like in the old days, people used to use that neem ka datun.
Yes.
Yeah. So when you use your teeth, like you chew that neem ka datun, so usse kya hota hai that you self cleansing is there with the teeth. self-cleansing. Neem datun is antibacterial, and then you are cleansing all the surfaces of your teeth at the same time.
Yes.
And these days we are eating more refined food. Everything is
Yes.
refined for us. But in
Yeah,
earlier days, people used to have the raw vegetables more in number, more fruits, and the food was not like ready-made kind of availability was there. So because of that, self-cleansing mechanism is there with the food we eat. As we are going gradually with the time, we are changing our food and habits, we are switching to the more refined food. So we are not able to clean our teeth, and it is getting deposited on the teeth surface. Yeah, so that's
So
what.
actually, all our old system was really very good. It was very helpful for us. Yeah.
And these days we are returning back to the old only. All the old system is.
Especially for the kids, doctor, like, I mean, 6 years, 7 years kids, when they brush, वो ज़्यादा pressure नहीं लगाते हैं. So is it fine, or we have to forcefully make them?
Okay, so for the kids, I would suggest that at the age of 5 to 6, we should always supervise when they brush.
Yeah.
So there is a brushing technique for everyone. One should follow that brushing technique to properly clean all the surfaces. And you know what we do in that brushing technique? One should always use a soft to extra soft bristles wala toothbrush. We should not use a hard bristles or a medium hard bristle wala toothbrush. One should use a soft or extra soft. One should change brush as soon as you find the bristles are getting frayed, right? Or otherwise once in 2 months or 3 months at least. And when you brush your teeth, it should be a circular motion like this. So one like 2 or 3 teeth at a time should be covered while brushing, and then there should be a circular motion. Should impinge on the gums. It should be circular motion, so that it should massage your gums as well, because when you massage your gums, your blood supply will increase to the gums, they will become more healthy. And because our teeth are curved, they have contours, so when they have contours, so your brush should go in between 2 teeth. That's very important. So when you little massage and give pressure there, so you actually clean and massage at both the time. So for that, you should always cover 3 teeth at a time, and then on the surfaces above, surfaces inside. It is very important to clean your teeth inside, near tongue. Here.
So that is something we actually ignore.
Yeah, you ignore, and that's what the maximum deposit when you go to dentist, you will find over here, just opposite the tongue tip. And because we have salivary glands also, so they deposit their secretion over there on that particular part. So it is very, very important to clean this inside and then everywhere inside. So it is, one should always brush in front of a mirror. One should always take out at least 3 to 5 minutes to brush daily, one time. We should brush twice. Night brushing is equally important. And when you eat something sticky and you find that it is, sticking, or something is there inside mouth, immediately rinse your mouth with a warm water and use your brush without toothpaste and just clean your mouth. So this is something which should be practiced daily in routine. So when you take care of your teeth, they will take care of your age. And when you lose your teeth, when your teeth get grinded, they become small in shape, you get wrinkles over this part. So it is aging, you will get aging here. So it is very, very important to retain your natural teeth, because you will not you can't get them back.
Yes. And as a queens, we need to maintain that part of ours. So that is very important for all of us.
Surabhi, actually I like when the teeth just try to crowd and the over. You remember there was Mosmi Chatterjee.
Mosmi Chatterjee, yes.
He has a rotated tooth.
Yes, this kind of
there, and it looks beautiful.
It adds
was
so
the
to
best
smile.
model
Yeah.
to show that type of teeth. I mean, actually, I like that type of teeth. And someone told me in the
Yes,
childhood that if you keep your tongue always near to the teeth will come out.
it
So
will
me,
come. Yes, it
so
happens.
me
It
and my
happens.
friend, no, we used to do that all the time, but unfortunately, my teeth always remained how it is now.
You have a beautiful
You have
dentition.
it set. Yeah.
Thank you.
You have it set, didn't you?
Yes.
Absolutely set.
Ideal dentition you have, and it's so beautiful.
Yeah.
When children are small, so they have the milk teeth, primary teeth,
Yeah.
and then at the age of 6, the permanent teeth starts growing, and the primary one shed off, and one by one all the teeth will be replaced with the permanent. That time also we need to take special care, because some children, they take their thumb inside, fingers inside, so they really push their jaws with the pressure, and they can have this malarrangement of the teeth. Their dentition gets rearranged, malalignment of teeth. So there are so many habits they develop in early childhood. So we need to be very careful about that. And if we find some habits like this, we should immediately contact to dentist for the habit breaking appliances. They give the habit breaking appliances. And then some children, they have this jaw inside very much intruded. It seems it is not developing, so they have a bird like face. So that time also, like, if you contact at the proper age to the dentist, they will give you some appliances to wear, and this will enhance the growth of the lower jaw. Same ways with the upper jaw. And when there is some malformation inside, like some deficiency in one side of this or other side of the face or in the jaws, so it can be done properly, like at the later ages with the surgeries and all. There are so many dentofacial surgeries are available. So we need to be aware. We need to educate others also. We need to educate our kids also regarding all this. And this is how, like, we can take care of our teeth, our children's teeth as well.
And doctor, how about they say if your teeth start paining, brush your mouth with salt. Is it really useful brushing with the salt?
Yeah, one more thing I want to tell, sometimes, like, for the ladies especially, I'm talking, so when you have periods, your cycle is going to come, so there are so many hormonal changes develop at that particular duration. So you may find, some sensitivity in your gums at
Yes.
particular duration.
Very true. Yeah.
And so you will just like to poke your teeth with something sharp, or toothpick or something like that. You can find that sensation because of your change in the hormone level. And then during pregnancy mein to it is a regular happening. We develop gingivitis. We call it gingivitis. Inflammation of our gums. Gums get inflamed. Gums get little swollen up. Gums get more red, and you can find some white line is getting deposited between your teeth and your gums. So that should be immediately take care, and one should contact dentist to get the cleaning done, to get the professional cleaning done, and to take certain medicines like vitamin C and all this. And when your cycle comes, that time you should be aware of about your teeth, that you need to take proper cleaning in that particular time, so that something should not get deposit and you should not get the gingivitis. Bleeding gums, you can say. And some people have the habit of brushing like this, vigorously they brush their teeth in this particular motion. It is very, very hazardous. When you brush like this very vigorously, you think you are cleaning your teeth. Your teeth don't want such kind of cleaning. When you brush vigorously, you are going to abrade. Abrasion is something you are going to make patches, cavities like patches in your teeth cervically. जो neck होता है teeth का, neck near gum there is a neck part of the tooth. Okay, so that gets abraded. वहाँ पे you get a cavity, गड्ढा बन जाता है because of the brushing. So some people have that brush in this particular left side because they're right-handed. So all the teeth in this particular side will get deep V-neck ditches. So one should avoid that.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. This is a very common thing. I believe most